Welcome to another episode of Mortgage Talk with Matt. Today we have a very special guest, Reese, who is my daughter, who just turned 3 months old. Today we want to talk about is home equity and how you can use your home equity. What exactly is equity? So in short, equity is basically your market value of your house minus any liens you have on the property. When you do that subtraction, that's how much equity you can have in the house. There's a lot of misconceptions out there that you can only use your equity for home improvement. That's not true. Let's just say Reese wants to open a college fund. We can open a HELOC, a home equity line of credit, and draw from those funds and do a college fund for her. Or if Reese wants more toys, we can open up a fixed rate second equity loan and we can take out to pay for Reese's toys. There are so many ways you can utilize your home equity. Give me a call and we can figure out what's the best for you. Thanks. Bye-bye.